The purpose of this new template is to help you create 3D NFT card animation easier and faster. Let's see what you can do with my new template practically. Once you have your card design ready, you can easily add it to this 3D model for the front and for the back side. Of course, it's possible to have two different images because sometimes trading cards have two sides, and the back is usually for the logo or some catchy pattern, like for example Pokemon cards. Anyway, I selected one from my 100 designs I've already created in Affinity Photo, and now if you'd like to keep the minimalist, simple style of this animation, you could just set up the rendering settings and click render animation, but as always it's nice to experiment a bit. To create such diamond frame, I added a wireframe modifier and applied glass material, which allowed me to achieve that shimmering, shining effect. The frame can be of course easily modified, changing the color, material or the size. So you can turn this simple template into something truly unique. Everything depends on your preferences. The glass which I added inside the frame is actually transparent, but once you change its color, you will see that it affects the card design. Every color has own vibe. However, personally I prefer keeping this glass simple and transparent. So just tiny reflections on the glass. So one of the elements which can be modified here is background. It's a very simple thing, but can completely change the vibe. For example, you can change the colors, add some catchy image, or even a video. In this 3D world, the possibilities are endless. If you'd like to make this card animation even more advanced, you can always experiment with extra effects. For example, adding dust particles using DaVinci Resolve. But remember to prepare this additional video in a form that allows to loop the whole animation in a smooth way. So the beginning and ending of this particle effect should have the same image, connector of the loop. By the way, this template contains my extra mockups with 25 different trading cards designs, not only for Photoshop but also for Affinity Photo, allowing you to easily modify the textures and text on the product. If you'd like to order this template, feel free to contact me. I can also help you customize it based on your expectations. This template is available in blend format, so you can use it in Blender, creating your own 3D NFT collectible card animation. Easy and fast, because everything is ready. See you in the next video. Enjoy!